Okay, why is this video going viral?
मैं ऑफर दूंगा, फिर तू बाकियों से मांगेगा, फिर मैं बोलूंगा कि तक मेरे को नेगोशिएट नहीं करना। ये सब चक्कर में बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होता है। क्या करूं?
ठीक है अमिता, डील पक्की।
So that is Shubham Gupta, Bonkers Corner के founder, and he took an offer without even hearing all the sharks. अगर तुम लोग 2-3 साल पहले कॉलेज में थे, you would remember how Gen Z went bonkers over bonkers. I know I could literally spot the prince on the streets and tell kids bonkers, and that's brand identity at its peak. And क्यों? क्योंकि amazing designs and streetwear at affordable prices. And not a lot of brands knew how to do streetwear back then. At least not like this. Also, ये sweatshirt 3 साल पुरानी, no one can tell, and that is the product. Bonkers went from 5 crores to 125 crores in 5 years, and the man will take 30 से 35 crore in profit this year alone, and that is insane. Now the real question is, how did he even do it? So Shubham started as a white label manufacturer, meaning he was manufacturing clothes for other D2C brands, where he learned क्या बिकता है, क्या नहीं बिकता है, and he learned everything about business, logistics, supply chains, margins, operations, the whole back end. So by the time he launched Bonkers, उसको business करना आ चुका था. And for his own brand, he took inspiration from other global streetwear brands for designs. Plus, their entire manufacturing process is in-house, मतलब direct control over quality and prices. There's a reason कि उनके customers बार-बार लौट कर आते हैं, and their return rate is just 10 to 12%, जहाँ industry में normally brands का 20, 25, 30% हो सकता है. Now, why come to Shark Tank at all? शुभम को सर्वाइवल के लिए कैपिटल की जरूरत नहीं थी. He needed help with IT, logistics and operations. And that's why he didn't have to play the good old shark game. He just took the valuation that he wanted and moved ahead. Now the real deal isn't कि OMG उसने एक shark को shut down कर दिया. It's probably the fact कि उसने business को इतनी बढ़िया तरह से समझा. Everyone wants to start with branding, marketing and virality, but maybe it's just about understanding the engine first. So how would you go about starting your own business? Let us know in the comments below.